Thank you for joining me today at 2cutebeads.com. I'm going to show you what we have done with our Glamour earrings. This is a 2cutebeads exclusive. We have these made in two sizes, in gold and silver. We have a 1.5 and we have a 2.5, which are longer. And like I said, in both gold and silver. But this is a little different take on what we do with these. So let's get started. Your kit's going to contain all your components needed. So with my chain nose here, very gently, I'm going to curve it down. And I do that very gently. Now I'm going to take my 3-inch head pin. I'm going to start with my multi-cut saucer, my 8mm bicone, one of my curve findings, and I'm going to make sure that I bend it and it lies right against the bicone. I'm going to add another saucer, another bicone, another saucer, so I have the spacing in here, and another one of my curve findings. And I've already made a mistake, so goes here. And another saucer. Now my last curve finding. Now I need to wrap it tightly in place. So what we have a saucer, a bicone, one curve finding, saucer, bicone, curve finding, and a saucer. And we're going to wrap in the direction that our curve finding is going. And on this earring, you're going to have a right and a left. Make sure you wrap it nice and tight so that everything holds in place. There's one completed. I'm just going to repeat for the other one. Going through again, it's a saucer, a bicone, curve finding, saucer, bicone, saucer, bicone, curve finding, and a saucer. Wrapping that same way as our curve finding is going. We have our wrap. We have our earrings. We have a right and a left. Gently open up your ear wire. Close it. And there is our set of It's All About the Glamour earrings, exclusively at 2cutebeads.com. Thanks for joining me. See you soon.